everybody. We are really excited to start working with all of you and grab some amazing content to start promoting you and all the work you're doing here at Transworld. But before we do that, we want to make sure that you're doing the process correctly. So I'm going to give you some brief instructions on your camera and how to use it and record exactly what we need and how we need it to promote you. So first, you're going to go to settings on your camera. So go to settings, you're going to scroll down, and then you're going to go to record a video or whatever your camera actually says. And what you really want to look at is for 1080 HD at 60 FPS, which means frames per second. And that is for really good transitions in a video, a great setting for that. And next is using your camera. So first, you might want to do what I always do, is take a little rag, your shirt, whatever you need, and clean off your lens. A lot of them get dirty from being used all day, and you don't want your video to be blurry in any way. So just clean off that little camera on the back. And then you're going to go to video, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to record at eye level. Don't record from down below. You don't have to record from too up high. Just kind of record from eye level so people, see what you see. And then you're going to hold your camera sideways, just like I'm doing it. Don't hold it like this, hold it sideways. And don't turn it, because the camera's not going to move with you. You don't want to record a video like this, we won't be able to use it. So go ahead and keep your camera sideways. And if you're going to move into the video or move around the room, move the camera slowly. A lot of people do this when they record, and it makes you kind of dizzy. You don't want to do that. Move your camera slowly, come back to center. Another big important issue is backlighting. If you're in a conference room where there's light, put the light behind you so it shines down on your subject you're recording. Don't put it behind them, because then they'll be silhouetted and it won't make for a good video. Or at the very least, angle it if you can, or close the blinds if possible. You really want to make sure you don't get into that backlight issue. If you do need to brighten your filming a little bit, you can tap your camera. That'll lighten or darken your video as needed. Now for your recording. It only needs to be about 30 to 60 seconds long, nothing really long or dragging out. Basically, we just want to capture what you're doing. So state where you are. Are you in a closing? Are you at a meeting? Are you at a fun event? Tell us where you are. Tell us who you are. Tell us who's in the video. Who will you be promoting? We need this information for the post, and also for any tagging that we do. We want to promote the people that are helping us. So make sure you provide all of that content. Say who you are, who you're with, what you're doing. Another important factor to think of is private information. If there are dry erase boards or documents on the table that might contain private information, go ahead and erase the board if possible, cover the private information, or just make sure the camera's not capturing it. Just remember, these are going out on social media posts, and we don't want to give out anybody's private information. We want to be respectful of that. Have fun with this. Have a great time. I can't wait to see all your videos, everybody. Have fun out there.